Hello. Ish, please come. एक मिनट रहने- खड़ी कर। Good afternoon, बच्चों. I am once again here for today a new topic, Redox Titration. Before starting Redox Titration, I would like to brief you something about Unacademy. It is Unacademy provide India's best, one of the biggest platform for virtual class teaching, virtual coaching. Here we are discussing today the topic Redox. Before going into the Redox, I would like to brief you something about our plans available for for 1 year program. If you are going to join us for 1 year program, it is 12,375. For 6 months, it is 10,125, and for 1 month trial, it is 2,250. And we will get a comprehensive batches are live. Comprehensive. Comprehensive batches are live. And use the code Ashish Live to get 10% scholarship. Okay. Now I'm going to for the first question today. The number of sulfate ion present in. Before I'm going to tell you something in redox titration. Always keep in mind, if I take equation A of A, B of B gives you C of C and D of D. Milli equivalent of A when reacts with same milli equivalent of B gives you same milli equivalent of C and same milli equivalent of the number of milli equivalent of A will be equal to the number of milli equivalent of B will be equal to number of milli equivalent of C and number of milli equivalent of D. Okay. हाँ सर, सर आज मैं पहुंच नहीं पाया हूँ. हाँ आज ले लो, फिर आगे देख लेंगे हम. मंडी नहीं कराएंगे, ठीक? आज कर लेना प्लीज. Milli equivalent of A equals to milli equivalent of B equals to milli equivalent of C and milli equivalent of D. This is the equation you have to keep. Next, now I'm going to tell you something about mole concept questions. First question on your screen. The sulfate ion present in 100 ml of 0.1 molar H2SO4. How will you find? First you will find out milli equivalent of H2SO4. It is normality into volume. Here we have given molarity. Therefore molarity into volume into n factor. Molarity कितनी है 0.001, वॉल्यूम कितना 1000 ml, n फैक्टर कितना 2 है, that is going to be 2. Will equivalent of H2SO4 2, equivalent of number of moles, number of moles, we can reduce it also. Number of moles of H2SO4, that is mill equivalent divided by n factor. Mill equivalent is 2 divided by n factor 2 is 1. Millimoles moles of H2SO4, that is 0.001. So molecules are 10 to the power minus 3. Molecules into the minus 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 20. This is the molecules. Now, next question. If 0.5 moles of BaCl2 is mixed with 0.2 moles of H2SO4, 0.2 moles of Na2PO4, the maximum number of moles of Ba3PO4 whole twice can be. I give you 2-minute time. Bhubaneswar, Sai Disha, Alok, tell me the answer of this question. If I tell you BaCl2 when reacts with Na3PO4 gives you Ba3PO4 whole twice plus 6 NaCl. That means mill equivalent of BaCl2 will be equal to mill equivalent of Na3PO4 will be equal to mill equivalent of Ba3PO4 whole twice. Now, mill equivalent of BaCl2, mill equivalent of BaCl2, molarity, then what is given? Number of moles. We can use directly the formula of, we can directly use the formula we can use directly the formula of limiting reagent. If you look here, 0.5, 3 moles of this, 3 moles of this, 2 moles of this, so 1 mole of this required 2 by 3 mole of this, 0.5 mole of this required 2 by 3 into 0.5, 0.33. But how many moles we have? 0.2. That means it is limiting reagent. Limiting reagent. So we will use product on behalf of this. 2 moles give you 3 moles, 1 mole of this. We'll use on behalf of this. Three moles, 2 moles. This is limiting reagent, therefore 1 mole, and this is your 1 mole. Let me explain you why. BaCl2 plus Na3PO4 Ba3PO4 whole twice plus 6 NaCl. Here, this is 2, this is 3. 2 moles gives you 1 mole. 1 mole will give you 1 by 2 mole. But here is 0.2 mole, 0.1 mole. So mass of, what is asking this question? Maximum number of molecules. Number of moles of Ba3PO4 whole twice is 0.5 molecules. Next question. In reaction, I2 plus twice S2O3 2 minus twice I minus S4O6 2 minus. Equivalent weight of iodine will be equal to the equivalent weight of iodine will be equals to. Please give me answer in this question. What will be the answer? Here we will find out n factor. N factor for this reaction. If you look at here, I2 except 2 electron gives you twice I minus. Twice I minus. Therefore, n factor for this reaction 2. So what is asked you? Equivalent mass, equivalent molecular mass. (254) divided by 2, 127. Next question. 16 gram of a dibasic acid require 25 ml of Desi normal NaOH for complete neutralization. The molecular weight of the acid will be. How will you do it? I tell you. Milli equivalent of acid will be equals to milli equivalent of base. This is for at complete neutralization. The milli equivalent of acid, milli equivalent of acid, milli equivalent of base, normality of base into volume. Normality n by 10, 1 by 10, volume is 25 ml, that is 2.5. Milli equivalent of acid. (2.5) milli equivalent of acid. Milli equivalent of acid, milli equivalent of acid equals to mass of acid upon equivalent mass. 2.5 तुम्हारा वीक है क्या उसको कर रहा हूँ भाई तो साइंस पे देखो ब्याह का है उसको याद करो फाइनल में आएगा पढ़ लियो रखा हुआ है माइक्रोवेव तो इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ एसिड इक्विवेलेंट मास ऑफ एसिड इक्वल्स टू 0.16 divided by 0.2.5 1.6 to 0.25 into 10 to minus 3 1.6 upon 0.16 2.5 into 10 to minus 3 that is 1600 divided by 25 64 molecular mass equivalent mass into n factor. Equivalent mass is 64, n factor is 2, 128. So molecular mass, molecular Next question. Zinc sulfate contain 22.65% of zinc and 43.9% of water of crystallization. If the law of constant composition is true, then weight of the zinc required to produce 20 gram of crystals. The correct option is the correct option is how will you come to know? Let mass of sample. So mass of zinc in sample. So this is the answer. B option is the right answer. Thank you very much for joining us. We'll meet you soon, shortly. Thank you till then.